Yo, what it do, everybody? It's GDF boy. We out here at Luminous, which is they do paint and body. They having a car meet tonight. We gonna check it out, see what's up. I'm gonna bring y'all all the footage I can. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully see some dope rides. You know, candy paint, big rims. You know, even some classics. But I'm gonna bring it to y'all. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell to keep up with all the everything I drop, the shorts, any information will be on Facebook or Instagram on any shows I'm gonna be at and things like that that are coming. Make sure you follow those, which is GDF Boy on Facebook, Instagram, and which you are on my YouTube channel now. Also, I am on TikTok also as well, which is GDF Boy 20046. You can follow me on there as well. Let's get to this footage.
To his strategy of countering the more aggressive fighter who was looking to come in at close range. Tremendous victory for him. We want to remind you that the highly anticipated event coming your way next.
You go ahead, I can shoot. I like that. You gotta give me the thing, because I don't remember. Yeah, it's flips. I'm like,
hey, didn't y'all pull up in them cars over there? Nah, you did. You pulled up in one of them cars over there? No, I'm about to go check it out. That's you, blue one? Yeah.
In every one of its 20 outings, this is his 21st outing to the ring as he will collide against Josecito Lopez, the Riverside Rocky. What I love about Josecito, this guy has fought anybody and everybody. He has fought the likes of Victor Ortiz, Marcos Maidana, Andre Josecito Lopez.
Trying to find a switch to turn it on.
The money is right. Osisito Lopez, being AT&T Stadium. They continue to go through Total packages at 12-3 Cali, 46 and 116, a 39% connect percentage. Lopez 46 and 110, and a 41% connect percentage. So we're